What up, guys? This is Pastor Cana again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about uh, exceptions. Okay, what is exceptions? When executing C Sharp code, different errors can occur. Coding errors made by the programmer, errors due to wrong input, or other unforeseeable things. When an error occurs, C Sharp will normally stop and generate an error message. The technical term of this is C Sharp will throw an exception, throw an error, and we're going to use that in a try and catch. Okay, so try is block of code to try, like it says. Catch is the block of code to handle the errors. Okay, like in this case, let's just do array and then we're going to say numbers equals braces brackets, that you say, braces brackets, and then we're going to do numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now if we do a console log, not console log, a console write line, we just do index. What index do we do? Let's just do index 0 is going to give us a 1, right? If we execute this, it should give us a 1. Let's see, so we get a 1. Okay, so what about, we want number 10 right here. Number three is no here, right? But what is going to tell us? So okay, system that index out of range exception. Index was outside of the bounds of the array, which is fine. Yeah, we are correct. The program is correct because we're looking for uh, number 10, which is not there, right? It doesn't contain that. How do we handle this? So for this we can use a try catch. So let's just do the following. Let's just put this a try, and then let's just do a catch right here. Let's copy this line of code, let's cut it, paste it, and that's what we have right here. And then on the exception and the catch, we're going to say the following: section E. Let's just do E, and then right here we're going to say console that write line. Well, we don't need that, but we need E message. Okay, let's execute this again, and let's see what it's going to give us now. Yeah, the program got executed, but it's telling us index was outside the bounds of the array. Wow, that's cool. That worked fine, right? So now, so also we can output our own error message. For example, right here we can just say the following. We can just say something went wrong with the program. Man, what the heck is going on? Okay, something went wrong with the program right here. So let's run this, and it should give us that message. Something went wrong with the program. Yeah, that's our own custom little message right there. So now, so also we can use finally. The finally statement lets you execute code after try catch regardless of the results. Yeah, we can just use finally, can just say finally, in here we can say console that right line, and then right here we can say the following: that the try catch is finished. So here, let's run that. It should give us a couple messages right here. Something went wrong with the program. The try catch is finished. Right? Yeah, it's pretty simple in a way. You know what? But there's going to be more complex that you can, more complex examples you can go, we can go through. But when you're doing a real programs, like working application, you still will use this try catch. It's you will use it a lot because you never know when it's going to be throwing an error right here. Like you gotta make sure that your program is still running, like we did right here. It's still telling you what's going on with the error message, right? Instead of not running, instead of not telling you anything. But anyway, thank you guys for checking the channel. This is just a quick one, and hopefully this helped you out. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.